Growing fresh at home. The magic of vegetables in pots. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines gardening with culinary arts. Vegetables in pots. This concept might sound simple, but it holds a world of benefits and excitement for both gardening enthusiasts and cooking aficionados. Let's explore together how you can grow your own vegetables at home, even in the smallest spaces. Vegetables in pots refers to the practice of growing vegetables in containers rather than in the ground. This method is perfect for those who may not have access to a garden or prefer a more manageable approach to gardening. Container gardening includes using pots, buckets, and even hanging baskets to grow vegetables. The key idea here is flexibility and accessibility, allowing everyone to enjoy fresh produce, regardless of space constraints. Selecting the appropriate container is crucial for the success of your vegetable garden. Ensure the pots are large enough to accommodate the plant's growth and have adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging. Materials can vary from plastic, clay, to recycled materials. The choice depends on your preference and the specific needs of the vegetables you wish to grow. Not all vegetables are suitable for container gardening, but many thrive in this environment. Herbs, lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, and carrots are excellent choices for beginners. These plants do not require deep soil and adapt well to confined spaces, making them perfect for pot gardening. Highlighting the importance of choosing the right vegetables will set your viewers up for success. Caring for vegetables in pots involves regular watering, adequate sunlight, and proper fertilization. Because pot soil dries out faster than ground soil, consistent moisture is key. However, avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Providing at least 6 hours of sunlight daily and using high-quality potting mix ensures your vegetables will grow healthy and strong. Growing vegetables in pots is a rewarding experience that brings the joy of gardening into any home, regardless of space. It's a fantastic way to ensure you have fresh, organic produce at your fingertips. We hope this video inspires you to start your own container garden and enjoy the benefits of fresh vegetables. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening! Remember, the journey to growing your own food can start with just one pot. See you in the next video.